If you are using Facebook ads, this is the most important sheet for you. I will show you how. First, we will go to our ad manager and go to detail targeting. Let's assume we are selling shoes online. So we will type in shoes here. And as you can see, Facebook only gives us 25 results. Now let's go back to our sheet. Type in shoes once again. It will take 5 seconds to populate. As you can see, we have over 100 interests here that we could use in our ads. Let's return to our ad manager. Here Facebook has shown us 25 results, but in our sheet we have more than 100 results. Facebook displays these 25 results to everyone selling shoes online, resulting in higher competition. By using this sheet, you can unhide all the interest that Facebook has, and you can target those people and could stay one step ahead of your competitors, resulting in lower ad cost and higher return on investment. Now I will show you how you can use this sheet to create your audience, and will compare the data as well. Here, Facebook has shown us 25 interest, but we have more than that hidden inside. Here we have unhide all the interest, and let's take some example. Let's say heel. When we type in shoes here, Facebook doesn't show us the heel as an interest. Now paste heel here that we have copied from there. So let's take 2 and 3 more examples. Dress shoes. We just paste it here. In this sheet you will get the exact audience size, as you can see. Bags and shoes. This way you can target those people that very few advertisers are targeting. This way you can create your audience by using this sheet, by unhiding all the data. If you are selling something else, like let's say you are a marketing person and generating leads online. So let's type in marketing here and wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Here you can see we have more than 250 results here. Let's go to our ad manager once again, and first of all delete this one and type in marketing here. Facebook has given us only 25 interest, but here we have unhide all the interest that Facebook has in its database with the exact audience size. To check the audience size, let's copy one and paste in Facebook, and let's paste it here, High Point Market, and you can see we are getting the exact same audience size that we have in our sheet. Using this sheet, we can unhide all the audience that is hidden inside the ad manager. Many customers ask me if this is a hack, and the answer is no. To find all the data, we use Facebook Marketing API, which is completely legal. You will also receive a tutorial video after purchasing this sheet, in which you will learn how to create your own marketing API and connect it with your sheet, which will take hardly 5 minutes. So make a purchase today, as the offer is ending soon. Thank you.